Hello everyone, I'm Surbhi Bhalla, faculty at SRN International School. Today I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. In this video today, I'm going to discuss about some of the famous monuments of India. So dear students, this topic will basically help you to learn and explore about some of the famous monuments of India. Then who built those monuments and where are those monuments situated? So now let's begin our today's topic. First of all, I will tell you what are monuments. A monument is a building or a statue that remind us of a famous person or event. Or we can also say a monument is an old building or other place that is of historical importance. For example, if we talk about Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan to house the tomb of his favorite wife Mumtaz Mahal. It also houses the tomb of Shah Jahan himself. So Taj Mahal reminds us about Mumtaz Mahal and Shah Jahan. Now let us explore some of the beautiful monuments of India. And the first in the queue is Charminar, also known as Four Minarets. It is a monument and mosque located in Hyderabad, Telangana. The fifth ruler of the Qutub Shahi dynasty, Muhammad Qutub Shah, built the Charminar in 1591 after shifting his capital from Golconda to the newly formed city of Hyderabad. Now moving further, let us talk about the Gateway of India. It's an arch monument built in the early 20th century in the city of Mumbai in Indian states of Maharashtra. It was erected to commemorate the landing of King George V and Queen Mary, the first British monarch to visit India in the year 1911 at Sham Prasad Mukherjee Chowk, Mumbai. At the time of the royal visit, the gateway was not yet built and a cardboard structure greeted the monarch. Now let us explore the beautiful Victoria Memorial. Victoria Memorial is a large building in Kolkata, West Bengal. It was built in 1906 and 1921. It is dedicated to the memory of Queen Victoria, the then Empress of India. The Victoria Memorial has 25 galleries. These includes the Royal Gallery, the National Leaders Gallery, the Portrait Gallery, Central Hall, the Sculpture Gallery, the Arms and Harmony Gallery, and the newer formed Calcutta Gallery. Now, let us explore the beautiful Konark Sun Temple, also known as Konark Surya Mandir. It's a sun temple at Konark on the coastline of Orissa. The temple is attributed to King Narsimhadev I of the Eastern Ganga dynasty. Dedicated to the Hindu sun god Surya, what remains of the temple complex has the appearance of a 100 feet high chariot with the immense wheel and horses, all carved from stone, which remarks the beauty of beautiful Konark Sun Temple. Next, we will explore the beauty of Gulabri Nagari, that is Hawa Mahal, also known as the Palace of Winds or the Palace of Breeze. It is a place in Jaipur, Rajasthan. Jaipur is also known as Pink City or Gulabi Nagari. The structure was built in 1799 by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh, the grandson of Maharaja Savai Jai Singh, who was the founder of Jaipur. It is built from red and pink sandstone. The palace sits on the edge of the city palace and extends to Jina or women's chamber. The original intent of the design was to allow royal ladies to observe everyday life and festivals celebrated in the streets below without being seen, since they had to obey the strict rules of Parda, which forbade them from appearing in public without face coverings. Hawa Mahal adds a bulk to the beauty of city, that is the Pink City. Now last but not the least, the recently built Statue of Unity. The Statue of Unity is a colossal statue of Indian statesman and independence activist Vallabhbhai Patel, who was the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India, and also an adherent of Mahatma Gandhi during the non-violent Indian independence movement. The project was first announced in 2010 and the construction of the statue started in October 2013 by Lanson and Turbo with a total construction cost of rupees 2,989 crores. It was designed by the Indian sculptorist Ram V. Sutar and was inaugurated by the Indian Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi on 31st October 2018 on the 143rd birth anniversary of Sardar Patel. Dear students, that's all for today's topic. I hope you must have understood the topic. Keep learning, keep exploring till we meet next. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to our official YouTube channel. Namaskar.